Hey guys, welcome again. So I'm going right into the charts today. Cardano ADA Price double. So what's going on? Currently, where we are in the charts, we're still let's see, we're still within this consolidation. It's the price of Cardano is building up strength at this moment. It's in the consolidation phase. It also, as you can see, um, bounced off the earlier resistance, so it bounced back up. So the previous resistance that you can see here, let me zoom out a bit, became the so the previous resistance, the falling wedge that we got, now is our support. Please guys, if you like this content, this video, if you appreciate my work, please subscribe and like this video and hit the notification bell. Okay, Thijs, thank you for that. So anyway, this is not any financial advice. Please consult your own advice. This is for mere informational and educational purposes only. Okay, so if we get back into the charts, we're still, as I said, within this consolidation. We bounced off the the previous resistance. So that went really well. We're now in this consolidation phase. That's not something that we've seen before in this last month. So this is definitely a new pattern that's emerging. So in the thumbnail I said ADA price double. So what do I mean with that? Will the price double? Yeah, I believe so, definitely. But that's not really what I meant with that. So, patterns always repeat themselves. And I believe this is a pattern that we've seen before. So if I'm going to zoom out a bit. Yeah. So what you're seeing from till the end of July till beginning of September, we've seen a massive bull run. Then we, yeah, really saw pull to the downside. And guys, it's actually as the same pattern that we've seen before. We'll run up, price going to the downside, and guys, this is a double. And when I close up a bit at the end of that massive downwards spiral of the price of Cardano till the end of July, we're actually seeing the same thing. So also, yeah, interesting, huh? So we also seen a resistance line here that was broken. So let me get that straight anyway. Yeah, that's better. Something like this, more or less. Yeah, maybe the 1 hour chart shows it a bit better. So this is November, sorry guys. Yeah, before here. Yeah. So the 1 hourly shows it a bit better. Yeah. This is a false breakout here. We went below the resistance line, resistance line, resistance line. And then we definitely broke out of the resistance line. We got back into consolidation. So also here we've seen at the end of July big consolidation. Here it didn't retest the previous resistance. So that's one small minor difference that we can see. But it went into resistance. After resistance, it went into a consolidation, and that's what we've also seen. We're also seeing at this moment. So to me, it's like almost an exact double or copy that we've seen in July. So then we went into this consolidation. Then we broke out of this consolidation. We retested the resistance. So there was a big battle here between the bears and the massive fight between the bulls and the bears. Then we had a huge spike, and then we really started the next phase, the next pattern. So the pattern started to repeat itself. So let me get to the 4-hourly. Yeah, zoom out a bit. Yeah. So after this consolidation, we broke out the consolidation pattern, went upwards, and really hit the nail at the end of August, beginning of September. And then we started down memory lane again, and went back to this imbalance zone. So when we zoom in as to what's happening today, I believe the same thing's happening. You could really really nice predictly what has happened. Of course, it would bounce the support line here, or at least as what it did the resistance line. And sooner or later, guys, we're at beginning of December. December is usually a very bullish month for crypto in general, for Bitcoin, Cardano. So I believe we're going to see a massive bull run at the end of December, starting maybe next week. That we're going to break out of this consolidation, consolidate a bit towards the upside, and then have a huge spike towards the upside. At what price? I think I'm going to spend a video on that next time as to where it could be at the end of December. So let me get to 1 hour, the daily chart. Here, I'm going to show that next time. So yeah, it's really a double. For me, it's really a double. As you can see that I can also get the bars pattern like this. Guys, it's almost, yeah, like the twin brother of the previous bull, a push up and push down. Exactly the same, and we're going to repeat that here again. So yeah, guys, I'm definitely bullish. Keep strong. Now is definitely the best moment to be in Cardano. If you haven't, if you aren't in Cardano, aren't a Cardano ADA holder yet, I believe this is really one of the best times to get in. At the bottom, of course, they also always say buy low, sell high, and this really applies at this moment. Of course, if you are currently an ADA Cardano holder, if you aren't used to this, if you, for example, bought here at around $3 or even $2.50 or $2, it can be painful. But guys, you have to have the bigger picture in mind. I also published the earlier video about the $100 Cardano. Yeah, it may sound crazy, but I have really good and strong arguments for that. No, it will not happen this year. I don't think it will happen next year, but definitely between 5 and 10 years from now. So you really got to have a large term perspective on this. Guys, don't only think small, like I've bought here and around the 15th April, and I sold everything at the 23rd of April because, yeah, I had, let's see, 30% downwards move, that hurt. People generally don't want to experience or have pain, and they sell their holdings in order to alleviate that, to remove the pain. But guys, if you look at the long-term play, if you just hold long enough, for example, a month longer, you have the 50% gain here till the end of August, 100% gain. And I believe if you hold longer than that, for let's say you bought in April, your gains will be massive. And also here, if you bought here at the top at the beginning of September, guys, don't sweat it. Yeah, guys, don't sweat it. You know, if you just bought here, for example, you had let's see, a 50% loss in your holdings, but again, that's like the same thing that we've seen here. Yeah, so also here, you know, it's 50%, and here's also, yeah, around 50% loss. But in the end, if you keep holding, keep strong, you'll always outlast the bears, and the bulls will win this, guys. Hold strong. Now, guys, I still believe in Cardano. We're at the beginning, I believe, of a massive bull run. Guys, if you like this video, if you learn anything, please like and especially subscribe to my channel. I just started out, but I believe we can, you know, I believe I can provide even more value in the future. If you subscribe and like this video, that keeps me alive and keep me going. Okay, guys, thank you very much and have a nice day. Okay, bye-bye.